Hi. So I've just come back from a Virgin Voyages cruise, quite literally. I've had like 4 hours sleep in the last 48 hours, just been traveling back from Miami. But I've come home to a surprise gift from my husband, who for Easter bought me a Orbitkey mystery box. This is a large size. And the reason why he got it for me, he was planning to get it to me before we went away on the Virgin Voyages cruise, but unfortunately didn't arrive in time. It arrived the day I flew out. So I've got a surprise to come home to, which is a good kind of surprise to have. But I've fallen in love with Orbitkey. I bought their Disney bags, obviously, to take with me on to my Disney trips. Took on a Disney cruise. This has been to Shanghai Disneyland with me. It now kind of goes everywhere with me, even though it's a Disney bag. And it's so full of everything, but it means I don't lose anything. So he's seen how much better organized I am when we're away on holiday. So he was hoping that a few more Orbitkey bits would get me going. So let's have a little look at what I've got inside this mystery box. I'm so excited for this. Now in this, there should be about £150 worth of items, possibly more, for I think it was like £110, I think the large size is. So I'm kind of hoping that I get another everyday sling bag, basically, just because I can then have two that I can wear when I'm not at Disney. And I think that is what I've got. I've got an Urban Sling Plus, which I think is a bigger one, actually. So it's an Urban Sling Plus. Yeah, it's a bigger version of this. So it's going to be even better if I go away on holiday, if I can pack even more stuff with me when I go around. So that's really cool. I don't know what color this is. I think it's just the plain black one. But really cool. I'm happy already. That's exactly what I wanted. So let's see what else we've got in here. This is going to be the durable sleek card holder. So it's basically for like a work pass card holder. I'm probably not going to use that because I'm self-employed. I work from home as a travel agent. So I'm probably going to try and sell that on Vinted if anyone's interested in it. It's a great item, just I'm never going to use it unless I use it on cruises, maybe to hold my cruise key pass. Didn't think of that. Maybe I could. This is what I wanted as well. So this is going to be the leather keychain loop holder. So basically you can have it to put your keys on there. There were a few things I was away on holiday with that I was thinking this could be quite handy to put on there. More like my baseball cap when I'm traveling around, things like that, just to clip it onto my bag. So I've got one of those, but it's designed for kind of your keys, just so you can put your keys on it and keep them handy for you as well. I don't really take that many keys around with me. So again, probably not going to make massive use of that, but I'll find the use for it. This is one I really wanted as well. So this is the Essential Trio, and I knew this is straight away because I literally had this in my basket before I came away. But this is a really cool item set. So again, if you're traveling a lot, and even if you're traveling up there when you just kind of move from place to place, this is a great little set because it comes with a set of 3 different size pouches for you to store different things in. But what's really cool as well is it has a central section there as well, so you can kind of sit it out flat, and it has a mini divider. It's not a full-on divider, but like a partition to put stuff on either side of it. I travel with so many gadgets like memory cards, power cables, battery chargers, all that type of stuff. So that's going to be so handy to kind of just have all that and stick it inside my main bag when I'm traveling around as well, inside my suitcase. So when I'm away, I can literally just go, oh, I know where all my bits are because they're in the which size trio bag. So really happy with that as well. I was hoping I was going to get that one, so I'm happy with that. So I can see there's 2 more items in here. The next one is going to be, and this is what Orbitkey are famous for. And I was kind of hoping I would get into these as well because me and Phil argue over car keys all the time. Because we have 2 different sets of car keys, one for the house, one for the person who's got the car, and we're always changing which one the car key is attached to. But this is going to be really handy because it's the car key organizer as well. So this is what made Orbitkey famous originally. Was you can kind of put all your keys on there and then they hide inside there. So you just kind of have that, you don't have them jangling around. And then the end bit here is where you can put your car key in as well. So the person who can have the car key can have this then as well, and just makes it nice and easy to know that's the car key set. So really happy with it as well. I was hoping I was going to get one of them. And then lastly, I know what this is straight away. This is going to be the foldable tote bag as well. So again, I never used to be a tote bag person. I've become a tote bag person. Again, I think as I'm traveling so much with work lately, it is just great to be able to have a bag. I usually use something like this to put all kind of like my power sockets in. So where we travel on cruises a lot, each cruise has different power socket banks. I now just have a bag full of them and just put that bag in my suitcase ready, already organized. So I've got all my kind of travel accessories ready to go. I'm sure I'll find a use for this as well. This is always handy just to kind of throw dirty laundry in when you're on a cruise ship. It's also just kind of handy for hats, beach bags, all that type of stuff. So really, really happy with one of these as well. But yeah, that's not a bad deal type of thing to have all those different items inside there. Things that I was going to purchase anyway, and I got them. And I'm pretty sure it's about 110. And on the screen somewhere, I will work out how much all of these bits and pieces are worth when you put them all together. But that's a lot of items. That's 1, 2, 3, still 3, 4, 5 items by my maths. Yeah, really happy with that. I love Orbitkey. Guys, definitely check out the website. They're a great company. I'm not sponsored by them, but I would happily be sponsored by them. But I use their stuff anyway to go everywhere because their stuff's really, really good, especially if you're on the go, traveling, working from different sites, that type of stuff. They've got some great bits and pieces. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Bye.